All right. What is going on, guys? Cisco here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube short using these 3 AI tools. The first tool that I have, you might have heard of it. It's a pretty popular tool, ChatGPT. I am using the free version, ChatGPT 3.5. Right, we're going to be using this to create our video script. The next tool is going to be 11 Labs. Now, 11 Labs is going to allow us to create a voiceover. That's just in case you don't want to use your own voice. So we're going to be using 11 Labs for that. And then our final tool to put our video together with our voiceover and images and everything, it's going to be Pictory.ai. I'm going to leave a link down below, guys. If you do want to go ahead and use this tool to create your YouTube shorts or your YouTube videos, it is an affiliate link, but I do appreciate, guys, if you do use that link. So I'm going to show you how to create that real quick. Now, we're going to go back to ChatGPT. I do have a prompt already that I've came up with to create this video. I'm going to go ahead and paste that in there. It says, write a video script for a YouTube short that shows dog owners simple ways to get their dog to pay attention. Make sure it's no longer than 130 words. Now, I found that 130 words is pretty much around how many words it takes to come up to create a YouTube short. I mean, you don't want to go past that 1 minute mark. So let's go ahead and click on enter, see what it comes up with. So, I mean, as you can see here, each one of the tips that it gives us, it's pretty short. I mean, it's pretty short. I think this would do really well for a YouTube short. Now, the next thing here is I'm going to go ahead. So attention training for your pooch, attention training for your pooch, simple tips. All right. This is going to be the name of our video. I'm going to go ahead and grab this here and I'm going to copy it. All right. So all the way down to right here. All right, so subscribe for more dog tips. Go ahead and copy that. And now I want to go to 11 Labs. And as you can see here, this is their library, their voice library. They have a ton of different voices that you can use. These are, again, AI generated, but they sound very real. I do have a few that I've selected already. So I'm going to go to Voice Lab right here. And I'm going to use Dan here. And I do have another script in here already. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that. And I'm going to go and paste in the script that we just grabbed. So I'm going to clean it up a little bit. Right? Bear with me for just a second. So cut to a cheerful. Yeah, they don't need to say any of that. All right. We're going to go ahead and get rid of the quotation mark. All right. Scene number 4. Get rid of this. And then finally, scene number 7. All right. Let me just get rid of this quotation mark here and this one here. All right, and this one. All right, so there we have it. This is going to be here our video script. Pretty simple, but it's going to get the job done. I'm going to click on generate. We'll just wait for Dan here to generate our voiceover.
Attention training for your pooch. Simple tips. Hi there, dog lovers. Today we're sharing quick and effective ways to get your furry friend to pay attention. Tip 1. Use high-value treats. Tip 2. Eye contact practice. Tip 3. Engage in playtime. Tip 4. Be consistent. Remember, patience is key. Keep practicing, and your dog will be a superstar in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful dog tips. Subscribe for more dog tips.
I didn't really like his I didn't really like him for this voiceover, but again, there's a huge library here, guys, that you can go ahead and look through. And by the way, this tool right here, you can get it for just $1 for a whole month. And then after that, you're going to be paying $5. So, I mean, if you're looking to create YouTube shorts constantly, then definitely this would be a great tool to have. So I'm going to go now that I am pretty satisfied. I mean, just for the sake of the video, I'm going to download this. And let's just say dog training. I do have a few dog trainings here, but let's say dog training 3. Right? Click on enter. We're good to go now. The next thing I want to do, I want to go ahead and grab this, copy it again, now that we cleaned it up, and go back to Pictory here. So in Pictory, I'm going to go ahead and where it says script the video, click on proceed, and I want to go ahead and paste that in here, right? And we're going to go ahead and say the name of our video is going to be this one here. I don't know why this came up with this. All right, now we're going to go ahead and click on proceed. And we'll just wait for this. All right, so right here we have our templates library. All you have to do is just select a template that you like. It's pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose this, just a simple template. Let's see, maybe this one, natural. And the aspect ratio, of course, should be 9:16 since we're gonna be creating a YouTube short. All right, we'll just wait for this to create the storyboard. Shouldn't be that long. So it's only gonna be 8 scenes, which I think that's pretty good. All right, perfect. So now here we're in the story part of the Pictory. And what we want to do now is we actually want to click on visuals. And in visuals, I want to go click on this drop down and select videos, then all categories. I just want to go ahead and select pets and animals. And we want to go ahead and check out our first scene. So actually, I mean, I don't really like this text, but again, you could come here to text, guys, and you can go ahead and make any changes that you want to it. So I can also come up here actually and maybe change, let's say Chewy. I think I like that better. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and select that text for our video and go back to visuals. And in visuals, so we have the first scene here. So it says, "Hi there, dog lovers. Today we're going to share quick and effective ways to get your furry friend to pay attention." So I mean, I think that's good right here. This doggy here looking at the camera. Then we're gonna go ahead and click on scene number 2. So use high value treats. So let's go to treats here and see what it has for us. All right, so this one here, this little guy eating this treat. I don't know what that is, but I think that would work pretty well. I wanna move this down here. All right, then scene number 3, tip number 2, eye contact practice. So, I mean, that would not really work. Let's just go ahead, kind of messed up here. Just bring this down some. And eye contact, I think this guy right here looking at his dog and giving him a treat. And you can move over the video like this so you could center it. I think that's pretty good. All right, scene number 4. So we're gonna run by this, guys. Engage in playtime. So let's see, playtime. Let's see what we have here for playtime with our doggy. So for example, I mean, this kid right here with his dog at the beach, that would do good. And again, I'm gonna move this down here. So I mean, this is pretty easy, guys, to use. It's just drag and drop. I mean, you don't have to really do much here. And again, just move the video here to center it however you want to. Let's go to scene number 5 and be consistent. That's tip number 4. So let's see, consistent. See if it has any doggies here. So I mean, you gotta look around, guys, and just make sure that you select something that you are okay with. Let me go ahead and see if there's any dog images here. I mean, dog videos that we can go ahead and use. So there's nothing in tip. Let's see here. I mean, you do want to go through it, take your time, and just pretty much find something. So there isn't really anything in this one. So for that, what we can do now is actually, let's go ahead and look for dog here. So yeah, I mean, we can go ahead and just say this one, just so I don't drag the video longer than it has to. So be consistent. And then that's scene number 5. Let's go to scene number 6. All right. Remember, patience is key. So I think I'm going to leave that right there. Scene number 7. Thanks for watching. That's pretty good right here. This guy giving his dog his hand. That's great. And then scene number 8. Subscribe for more dog tips. That's perfect. All right, there you have it right there. We have created our video for our video script. Now what I want to do is I want to go here to where it says it has a little mic, and I want to click on upload voiceover. So I'm going to drag and drop files, and I'm going to say dog training 3. That's the one we just created. Go ahead and open that. And we want to select the entire video. Just wait for this to finish sensing the voiceover. And there we go.
Attention training for your pooch. Simple tips. Hi there, dog lovers. Today we're sharing quick and effective ways to get your furry friend to pay attention. Tip 1. Use high-value treats. Tip 2. Eye contact practice. Tip 3. Engage in playtime. Tip 4. Be consistent. Remember, patience is key. Keep practicing, and your dog will be a superstar in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful dog tips. Subscribe for more dog tips.
I think they did great creating this video, so I'm gonna say it looks good. Definitely looks good. I think it's a hell of a video actually. And now what you want to do, of course, is you want to go and download the video. That's the final step, unless you want to go ahead and change the background music. But if everything else is good, just go ahead, click on download video, and there you have it. You created your first YouTube short using AI tools. So guys, I hope you find this video useful. If you did, I'd appreciate if you hit that like button. Also consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell icon if you do. That way you get notified whenever I do drop new videos. With that said, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.